Take a look at this channel. This channel has 1.1 million subscribers with 749 videos. These are not short videos. All of these videos are long videos with a duration of around 10 minutes, which means they are probably making thousands of dollars a month with this channel. Let's check Social Blade to get some idea of the income. As you can see here, if we take the average, they are making around $5,000 to $6,000 a month with this channel. You will not believe how easy it is to make videos for this niche. So this niche is called the meditation and manifestation niche. In the next few minutes, I will show you a step-by-step tutorial to make videos like this. After this tutorial, you will be able to make at least 2 videos a day. I would like to thank you guys for supporting my channel. It's been 8 months now. I'm planning to make a video series about Instagram as well. If you guys like this idea, please drop a comment saying yes we want. And if you guys have any issues regarding YouTube and TikTok, just drop a comment. I will reply as soon as possible. Okay, let's start the process. First, I should mention that short videos are not good for this niche. It's because this niche has an audience that prefers videos with at least a 10-minute duration. So, don't create short videos for this niche. Now, let me give you a list of video categories that you can upload to this niche. Number 1, guided meditation videos. Number 2, manifestation affirmation videos. Number 3, sleeping meditations, affirmations. Number 4, morning meditation videos. If you've done some research on this niche, you will be able to find tons of ideas like these. These are just a few examples. Let me show you a sample video I created.
Get yourself to a calm place and get yourself to any position that you are comfortable with. Whether you choose to sit or lie down, ensure you're feeling fully supported by the surface beneath you. Take a moment to adjust your body, allowing yourself to sink into a state of relaxation. Close your eyes gently, allowing the darkness behind your eyelids to envelop you. Begin to focus on your breath, the steady rhythm of inhaling and exhaling.
The first thing we need to do is we need to create a meditation session. So first, let me explain what a meditation session is. It's where someone is guiding you through the meditation process with a gentle and calm voice. It's similar to the video script. If you are someone who is familiar with meditation practices, you probably have seen or heard about this. Now, you may think, without having any ideas or experience about this subject, how can we create a meditation session? Don't worry. This ain't 2008, this is 2024. We have advanced AI tools now. So, what I'm going to do is, I will use ChatGPT and ask it to create a meditation session. But the prompt for this should be straight to the point. So, let's go to ChatGPT and create a session. This is the prompt that I'm going to use. Create a guided meditation for this topic. You will be okay. Your life is going to be blissful. This guided meditation should be long, gentle, and calm. Start the meditation session with, get yourself to a calm place and get yourself to any position that you are comfortable with. And remember to mention the close your eyes part as well. Let's generate this session. As you can see here, we have this amazing meditation session. This should be enough for a 10-minute video. Read this session several times. If you want, you can make some changes and make your own version of it. In this case, I will go with this script because it's really good. Now let's go to the next important part, which is creating the voiceovers. We need to find a very calm and natural female voice for this. There are a lot text-to-speech AI tools. From all of those, I think the best and most natural text-to-speech AI is 11 Labs. 11 Labs is one of the best and most realistic text-speech AI voice generators. There are a lot of AI voices in 11 Labs. You can even clone your voice with this. So, you don't have to worry about buying expensive equipment for voice recording. And most importantly, you can monetize your videos using this voices. You can sign up for free. It will give free 10,000 characters. Now, let's check several AI voices and select a suitable one for this video. If you click this Add Voice button and click Voice Library, you can get access to more voices. By selecting suitable keywords from this top menu, you can get voices related to each category, and you can use this search bar to find any type of voice. So, I will search meditation and let's check several voices.
Wrinkles should merely indicate where smiles have been.
This one is really good for this video. But let's check another one as well.
One today is worth 2 tomorrows.
I think this voice is better than the previous one. So, let's use it. Make sure to add this voice to your voice library. Now all you need to do is copy the meditation session part by part and generate the voiceovers. We should add long pauses between sentences, therefore creating voiceovers part by is easier for the final editing part. Just like this, create voiceovers for the whole meditation session. Now we need to find some background video footage. I have seen a lot of channels using just one image for the whole video. I don't recommend it. You may face some issues during the monetization process. I'm going to use Pexels to find background videos. It's actually a free stock footage website. You can download and use these clips for your videos. They are copyright free. So, in this case, I will download several videos related to calm backgrounds, meditation, and rainy videos. So take your time to find good videos that can represent this niche and download those. If you are willing to pay for these videos, Storyblocks has some amazing videos. It's a subscription-based website where you can download unlimited stock footage for just only $25. So, if you have a budget for that, I would recommend using it. After that, we need to download really good calm music. Remember, not like the other niches. In this niche, background music is very important. It should be calm and gentle. As usual, we can just use Pixabay to find good music. This website has copyright-free background, music, and sound effects. Make sure to check the duration of the music because it should match the video duration as well. As you can see here, I search for meditation music. All of these results have a duration time higher than 10 minutes, so these are good for our video. You can also use YouTube to find background music. There are a lot of calm and meditation-related copyright-free music on YouTube. But when you are using these audios from YouTube, make sure to give the credits to the owner to avoid copyright issues. Now we can go through the editing process. The editing process for this video is very easy and simple. It will only take several minutes. You can use any simple video editor for this process. You can use Filmora, CapCut, or any mobile video editor for this, it doesn't matter. For this example, let's use CapCut. It's a free video editor, and you can download it to your mobile or computer. After you download it, follow these steps. First, start a new project and select a suitable size for your video by clicking this Modify button. Select 9:16 ratio. Then you need to upload all the material that we created to this. Click this Import button and select all those voiceovers, music, and videos. First, you need to drag and drop the voiceovers to the timeline in the correct order. There should be little breaks during the voiceovers. It's because this is a calm meditation video. Therefore, no need for a rush. You must add these voiceovers with the correct time breaks as gently as possible. If you rush the video, your viewer will not watch it. After that, add all the clips to the timeline. Just add the clips. It doesn't matter about the order because this is a meditation video, and most of the time their eyes will be closed. After that, all you need to do is add the background music. Make sure to reduce the background music to match the voiceovers. We are not going to add any captions for this because it's useless for this niche. After that, if you want, you can add transition between these clips. It's up to you. As I mentioned earlier, editing part is really simple. Now you can export this video and upload this to your new channel. So using this method, you can make at least 2 meditation sessions a day. The only advice I'm going to give you is, don't give up. Your first video may not get a lot of views. Before you even start giving up, you must at least upload 20 videos. I hope you enjoy the video. I will see you in the next one.